What's up, guys? Today we're going to do some more work to the ridiculous mini bike build. The Blitzkrieg is still on hold. I'm not quite to the point where I can tear into that build yet. I'm trying to get ahead on this before I have to work the entire weekend. So bear with me. Sorry for any delays. I know you all want to see the Blitzkrieg more than you want to see this ridiculous thing. According to Instagram anyway, a lot of you like the Doodlebug with the Predator 212 build in it more than a custom fabbed ridiculous mini bike with the quad engine in it. Now I'm not sure why that is. Different strokes, different folks, I guess. But anyway, whatever it may be, we're gonna get to the Blitzkrieg bike soon. If you haven't already, check out my Instagram. I'll put a link in the description below to my page on Instagram where you can see updates in between videos and more. Let's get on to the mini bike. Okay, so here's more that we've gotten done. I was able to throw a couple beads on this whole setup to make it a little bit more rigid so that I can hack the back section of this frame off. Not too bad of welds. I'm actually getting much better. It's the old Hobart over there that's ugly as sin, but hey, it's an awesome welder and I get to use it, so not complaining there. I haven't welded this in fully yet. I just want to tack it and then get it in place, which it's tacked currently. And I primarily did that because I'm not sure of the placement of this exactly quite yet. I finally got my gas cap for the fuel tank. I opted to go with the 1.5" inlet because the 2" inlet is just overkill, honestly. I got this on Amazon. I think it was like $18, or it was under 20 bucks anyway. Black anodized cap with an O-ring seal, and it also came with a filler neck. Now in retrospect, I wish I could have put this on the inside of the tank, but we're gonna have to make do with what we've got. So that's what's been going on. What do you say we get to work now? Okay, so we're over here at the lathe. We're gonna make a bung for the bottom of the gas tank. So let's get busy on the lathe. So in this episode, you saw me make a bung for the gas tank for the barb fitting. Weld it onto the tank. We welded on the filler neck to the tank. I'm probably going to cut these off, but off camera because the video is getting kind of long and I'm running out of space on my memory card. So therefore, we're going to wrap this video up. Thank you for tuning in for another episode about the ridiculous mini bike build. Stay tuned for more Blitzkrieg project updates as well. That's the doodle bug. And we're going essentially stage 3 on it. It's more stage 3.5, I guess you could call it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check it out on my other videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and we will catch you on the next video.